The rapid spread of the Zika virus prompted the World Health Organization to declare an international emergency today. Experts are worried about a surge in the number of babies born with birth defects in South and Central America. They suspect that mosquitoes carrying the Zika virus are to blame. Doctors are urging travelers to take precautions or postpone trips to tropical climates for pregnant women. As WCCO's Jennifer Mayerle reports, that has caused some Minnesota travelers to rethink their plans.
Switching was it was definitely not in the plans, but.
Especially 2 days before.
Yeah.
Alex and Stephanie Evavold said, "I do" in August, but the newlyweds wanted to wait until winter to escape to Mexico for their honeymoon. By that time, Stephanie was pregnant, and then they learned about the Zika virus.
Well, I cried for a while because I was pretty upset about it, but then, I don't know, I just had to accept the fact that this was the best thing. I wanted to do what's best for my baby, obviously.
That probably works better for you.
So the Clearwater couple contacted their travel agent at Travel Leaders in Albertville.
It's part of our life. There's always something. In travel, no matter what's happening in the world, it affects travel.
Owner Bonnie Lee says 4 expecting couples have canceled their trips to Zika-affected areas, including the Evavolds. Each traveler chose how to move forward.
So they're choosing not to travel at this particular time, maybe get a voucher, maybe go somewhere in the United States.
The Evavolds decided on a new location, the Bahamas. It came at a higher cost, but the change gave them peace of mind.
Yeah,
Yes,
it was all good. Yeah,
Yeah.
No worries in the world.
All right, the WHO emergency declaration means there will be resources dedicated to help stop the spread of the virus and to go toward research to find a treatment. Currently, there is no cure or vaccine for Zika. The kind of mosquito that transmits the virus is not found in Minnesota. Amelia.
All right. Thank you, Jennifer. And you can find the latest travel alerts about affected countries by visiting WCCO.com/links.